Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a beautiful purple look. Can you tell how much I really enjoyed this look by how many pictures there are? There's a lot of pictures, but I really love how this look came out. It's using a very affordable eyeshadow palette that you can find at your local Walmart, and it is from the brand HardCandy, and it's $10 at Walmart, like I said, and HardCandy Indigo-ing Steady eyeshadow palette, and it's pretty much an all purple palette. With a couple shades sprinkled throughout that aren't purple, but a nice mixture of mattes and shimmers, and very beautiful color story nonetheless. So to get started, I've already primed my eyes with the WetnWild eyeshadow primer, and I also have loose translucent powder under the eye to catch fallout, which we most definitely will have. Once again, this palette is called Indigo Steady, and that beautiful nail polish I'm wearing, I'm obsessed with. It's from Believe Beauty. It's from their Sheer Jelly line. Absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to pick up one of the base shades, and this is the more pinky purpley one, and I didn't expect the shade to be this bright going on, but it's definitely more pink going on the eye than shows in the pan. And once I have that shade, I'm going to take this really pretty, just cool tone kind of lilac shade and buff that around the edges. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner portion of the crease and blend those together. And you'll see me go back and forth a lot and add shade back where it was lost from blending, just to, you know, darken up the look some more. I'm going to take a mixture of this really pretty bright purple in the top row and the black, and there's going to be more of the purple added to this than the black, and this is just to deepen the outer corner. And I do wish there was a darker purple in this palette for the outer corner and crease, but we will make do and make our own shade since there is just a black for this. And this is the darkest matte shade in the palette. So with a combination of those two, it makes this really beautiful purple that reminds me of the Makeup Forever Purple 92. Such a beautiful shade. So once that's built up in the outer corner and the crease there, I'm going to take this shimmery silver, like lavender kind of shade, this silvery dusty purple shade. I don't know how to describe this shade, but that's literally what it is. And it is very shimmery. I've wet that and put it on my brush, and I'm putting it near the outer corner and halfway in onto the lid. I'm going to take the shimmery white from the palette. I'm going to wet that also, and that's going on the inner corner of the lid, and the rest of the lid, I should say. And because all of these shades are like shades, they blend together really nicely, especially the shimmery white and that silvery purple shade. They'll blend together very, very nicely. And once that's done, I'm going to take this just kind of a very muted baby pink shade, almost vanilla shade, or my brow bone. Borderline white shade for my brow bone highlight. So once I place that, you're going to see me bring that down and start blending into the crease area. So now you're going to see me take some more of that light lilac shade that we used from earlier and blend the brow bone in with the crease. And you're going to see me now go in and start to build upon those shades again and just replace color where it was taken away from blending. I'm using this shimmery, glittery, HardCandy purple eyeliner, and I wanted to make this look as purple as I could. This is more metallic eyeliner actually, but it says glitter on it. And this is Enchanted gel eyeliner from LaColors. Beautiful purple liner, absolutely love it. Also wiped away my fallout there. I'm also going to put that beautiful bright purple shade that we mixed with the black earlier on the lower lash line and blend that into the lash line. And then I'm going to use this Maybelline Snapscara, and I'm going to do a couple coats of that, and it's a purple mascara. So purple lashes, purple eyeliner, purple eyeshadow, it's all purple. For lips, I've been really into using this LaColors Nude Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy. I love this. So pretty. And from W7, I'm using this Soft Hues Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette I found at Five Below, and this very opal kind of shadow, iridescent kind of shadow. It's a white, pink, purpley shade, and I'm just going to use that in the inner corner. For a setting spray today, I'm using the Max Fix Plus, the one that has the rose mixed into it, so it's a glowy spray. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, and will try to look out for yourselves. Hopefully you already have this HardCandy palette or shades in your collection to recreate it if you love purples. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. There's a product list in the description box. And I thank you guys so very much for always watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.